How to create Payoneer account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to create Payoneer account. So first of all, just simply open your preferred browser and on the search bar just simply search for Payoneer inc and just simply click on the first link that you will see on the top and you will be landed to the Payoneer's official website. And over here, in order to create your account fresh, you need to scroll down and click on the get started option from the bottom of the screen. And over here you need to select which kind of account that you want to open. So it could be freelancer, consulting, e-commerce, wholesaler, D2C or other business options. So you can select as per your choice. So for example, if you are a freelancer, so you can choose the first option right here, and it says that the total amount of monthly international payment is received in these orders. So you have to fulfill this criteria in order to create your account in the Payoneer. So just select the one that suits you the most. So I'm going for the freelancer one, and just select the kind of amount that you would receive in the future, and accordingly you will be able to land it to the page where you have to register with your credentials in order to create your account. So just simply click on register from this page. And now on the first page you have to enter your get started details, like you have to mention your name, your last name, your email address, and just re-enter your email address and your date of birth and all other details. And once you are done entering all these details, just simply click on next. And on the next page you have to enter your contact details. So you have to enter your billing address, your bank account details and other details. And once you have done entering your contact details, then you have to go to the security details section where you have to verify your identity proof in order to complete your Payoneer account registration. And once you have done all these steps, then your account will be created successfully. But in order to activate your account, you have to wait for at least 24 hours for Payoneer to verify your details in order to successfully open your account in Payoneer. So yeah, this is basically how you will be able to create Payoneer account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.